it. Open it. There you go. Look at all your toys. Oh my goodness. Look at all your toys. What's that one? Get it. Get it, Micah. Whoa. That one's cool. What else you have? Wow, that one's cool. So cool. What else do you have? What else? What's the other toys? They're not, oh, come here. Get the rest of them. Micah, get the other ones. There you go. Nice! Nice! That is so cool! That is so cool! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you're so excited.
Also dieses Spielzeug kam heute gegen Spätnachmittag hier an und dann hat mein Hund dieses Spielzeug einmal benutzt und es sollte eigentlich für große Hunde sein. Ja, sehr strapazierfähig steht dabei. Ich muss sagen, also strapazierfähig sieht bei mir anders aus, genau wie dieser Ball. Da hat er auch schon direkt die Fäden rausgezogen und also ich bin sehr enttäuscht von diesem Hundespielzeug. Ich werde es jetzt behalten, aber ja, taugen tut es gleich nichts. Also nicht der Beschreibung entsprechend. Es ist vielleicht für kleinere Hunde bis mittelgroße, aber nicht für einen Hund, der dann entsprechend zubeißen kann. Ja, also steht zwar dabei für große, kräftige, aber nee. Ich bin, wie das Bild oder Video zeigt, ist das nicht der Fall. Ne? Also es sind 9 Teile, 3 davon sind schon direkt gleich im Mülleimer gelandet, jetzt weil er das zweimal drauf gekaut hat und sofort zerlegt. Ja, also nicht weiter zu empfehlen.
Hey there, I wanted to do a quick review on this box of multiple options for fun ropes and chew toys for my tough chewer, Stella. I love this combo pack. I pulled out just a couple samples of what was in there, but there's really long ropes. There are these fun ones that are like weighted balls that you can throw by holding the handle. There are shorter ropes, which I find better for indoor play. For a quick way for her to retrieve. But this was a great variety pack. It came with 9 different options. It has lasted me several months thus far. And she is a really aggressive chewer, and all of the ropes are still in good shape. So I've had a challenge in the past with ropes fraying and coming apart quite easily. These have been very high quality, and I highly recommend. Hope this helps.
This is our great pair of jeans. Worn out.
Okay, can you see all this here? Okay, this is just some of it. That's 5 minutes after I gave it to him.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
They're supposed to look like this. Yep.
And they're made for aggressive chewers.
Oh yeah. 5 minutes. And I picked up most of it.
You guys, we got the 14 dog toy box. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Check out the quality. First off, the packaging. Top notch. It's so cute. Okay, we got 2 of this style. 1 of this style. We got some poo bags in here. Love that. We got this one. We got this little baby one. We got 2, 3. Okay, maybe 3 of this one. 2 of this one. So lots of colors, lots of options. They are all the solid, hard to untie rope toys. And we got some poo bags, so that's always handy.
So we just got this in the mail this morning, and it's great because we use it for tug of war on the stick, and it has multiple Buddha drop. Hey, listen, Buddha drop. Watch out, no, wait 1 second. It has this one loop to attach it, which is really easy to get in my clip, but it has like these multiple points where he can grab it. And we have another dog that likes to play, so we can attach it here. And then there's 2 ends. So it's actually a really good size. I had to get this because the other one we got was really big knots and really big rope, and you just couldn't get it in his mouth. So this guy is 90 pounds, and this rope is perfect for him.
Young guns.
La corda, hai visto? No, no, questi no! Dammi la corda, dammi la corda, dammi la corda, dammi la corda. Nagia, questa corda, questo regalo di Natale.